So thank you, Srikanth, and the entire Wi-Fi team for giving me 5 minutes of air. And as those of you who are coming here for several years, know that we have the tradition of gifting trees to all our conference speakers. And I think that was an idea which actually started at Wi-Fi KS. And I'm glad to share that that idea is spreading like a wildfire. Couple of months ago, there were some distinguished guests at Google office, and I got a call from Google that, we saw that beautiful gift card and we want to gift it to everyone. So as more and more people are gifting trees, this kind of a barren land is slowly getting transformed into a jungle. And some of you may wonder, what has planting trees got to do with Wi-Fi? And as some of you know, I have sort of started my journey as a Wi-Fi entrepreneur many years ago. And over the years, realized that, not just Wi-Fi, but through our overall lifestyle, we are generating a lot of carbon footprint. And while we are working on the tech axis, we also need to do something on the environment axis to balance it out. So our vision is to create a net zero Wi-Fi in our lifetime, and hopefully the beginning has been made. So I'm glad to share that today, these gift cards have been created and will get delivered to you, hopefully by evening or by tomorrow. I don't know if you got a chance to print them, but otherwise we'll deliver them electronically. So all the speakers who have come on the stage, there's a tree in your name which exists on a place like this, and someday hopefully you will come and see it for yourself. So today what I want to do is take sort of 3 minutes just to explain that what we are doing at 14 Trees is not just planting trees. We actually have a much broader and a bigger vision. And the first is, obviously, we want to undo the environmental damage which the last 200 years of human civilization progress has done. So undoing damage means transforming the barren landscapes back into jungles, bringing water, improving soil fertility, bringing native vegetation, and bringing biodiversity back. So the pure environment focus. But we are not just stopping here, because there have been many efforts at environmental repair and we haven't seen great successes. And one of the reasons is that what I've realized, that you've got to link this with employment generation in the local community. So the way we are doing it is we are creating sustained long-term jobs around protection. We are spawning many micro enterprises at the bottom of the pyramid. And we are also spawning some very high-tech ventures which are focusing on sustainability as their focus. So for example, the first sustainability startup named Spree.com has been incubated out of 14 Trees, and they raised $3 million of angel round just about 2 months ago. So we are kind of starting this whole idea that, we are not here just to undo the natural damage, but also to fuel the growth of the new sustainable, ecologically conscious future. So environment protection, livelihood generation, job creation, incubation. And the third is we are also doing it in such a way where we connect people to these causes. Otherwise, the urban masses often think, that's something that the government should do, or, COP26, people are going to worry about it, what have I got to do it? But the way we are doing it is we are connecting these natural restoration projects to people. And how? We saw some examples of gift cards. The gift cards create sort of an attachment. Okay, there's a tree in my name over there. And we are now building a back-end IT platform to scale this whole idea up. So I'm kind of glad to share that through Wi-Fi Summit, we have two of our key sponsors. Convergent Wireless has now created a grove at the project site. And more recently, Althea has also joined us to help us in terms of increasing. So we are creating so the plantation of this grove is going to start in the monsoon time and is being created in memory of 2 employees who actually are no longer with us. So they want to create like a memorial grove. So thank you, Althea and Convergent. I think Venkat is already here. Big supporter of, and in the background, I didn't put the Arista logo because their support has always been with us, and Wi-Fi Knowledge Summit. So I think many Wi-Fi players are coming together in this cause, and that's a great cause for celebration for us. So often people tell me, what is the elevator pitch for whatever you do? And I have been struggling with that. I don't have an elevator pitch because I tell people, come to the site and then you will see what we are doing. But I have taken a shot at summarizing what we do in 5 pictures, and I'll show you quickly those 5 pictures, and hopefully it will convey what is our mission. So this is the picture of the barren landscape, and in fact, Wi-Fi KS Grove is just a little bit on the left side. So my elder daughter, she is an artist. What she did, she took that picture and converted that picture into an oil painting. And then we applied some tech on it and converted this painting into a collage. So what you see here is an oil painting converted into a collage. And if I zoom in, if I'm successful on Shrikant's laptop, this collage is made using thousands of pictures of barren land. So the story of this collage is, I have been going to this site for the last 10 years. And every time I go, I take pictures. So during COVID time, I had a lot of time. So I sat down and compiled all my pictures and collected all the barren land landscape pictures. And you can see here, the land is being burnt, the land is being mined. Essentially, people are abusing the natural resources where jungle stood once upon a time. So the sentiment we want to convey through this collage is that yes, there is a large amount of barren land out there. So on this barren land, we are trying to generate economic activity. So this is again a collage. It shows that we are employing tribal people. They are, planting trees, erecting tea gardens. And the story of this collage is, 4 years ago, we started seeing that we are doing many transactions. We are buying some local supplies, we are buying some pipe, we are buying some supplies from the local market. So I told people, I created a small app that, upload the bill and also take a picture of whatever you are spending the money on. So 4.5 years later, I am sitting on a pile of like thousands of these meaningless pictures. So if I zoom in, each picture here shows some economic activity that we are doing in the local community. So this shows I bought this piece, I bought a can of petrol, maybe I hired a tractor, I hired this guy. So there are like thousands of these meaningless pictures, but each picture represents an economic transaction where the money is flowing into the local economy. So people are now loving us, when these guys come to plant trees, we get some employment, we get some money. So more and more people are saying, come and do this for us. So again, small transactions, but they add up to doing something really meaningful in the context of the local community. So barren land, generating economic activity where nothing was happening earlier. Third, as these tree guards are populating all over the area, they are attracting people's attention. What is this? And we have done no marketing. So people are getting curious, what is this 14 trees? So people come to our site to understand what's going on. And we have a process that when you come in, somebody takes your picture, asks you to fill out your name, your contact number, and we plant a tree in that person's name. So over the last 4 or 5 years, we have had thousands of people, local people who have just come in to see. So this is a collage made from the pictures of those local people who are walking in just to be curious what's going on. And every day these numbers are swelling. So more and more people are coming, more and more trees are getting planted, and they are getting connected to those trees. So it shows sort of our community outreach, which is happening just organically, without any social media, without any press, without any marketing. So that's been a very encouraging sign. So 3 pictures: barren land, economic activity, and then community engagement. Next, let's see what happens. Hopefully I will be able to go to the next picture. Okay. So then we have a counter at the site where every time the trees get planted, the counter goes up. Again, this is a collage. And this collage is made from the pictures of people who have themselves come from the city and sponsored that tree. So we are doing essentially this forestation through crowdfunding. And these are our sponsors. So let me see if I can zoom in. So again, thousands of people are coming and saying, "You plant 10 trees for me." So I think Shrikant, your picture is somewhere here. So is Nadeem, your picture is also here. It's just we have to search. And I invite all of you to come someday so that your picture will also become part of this collage. Okay, so four pictures, and fifth picture, and I'm done. So the fifth picture is the most exciting part of what we are doing, and that is, this picture actually was shot in an area which was barren 10 years ago. So in 10 years, this much transformation has happened. The greenery has returned, there's biodiversity. And again, this is a collage. And what's in there? Let's see it. If I zoom in, there are thousands of pictures of flowers, birds, butterflies, moths, insects, snakes, scorpions, and they have found a new home. So that's our vision. Degraded land, transform it into this green heaven, create jobs, connect the community, and connect the urban people to come and adopting. And thank you, Wi-Fi KS, for helping us, giving the initial lift, and hoping that this word will spread and more people will join this. Thank you.